welcome everyone to our comprehensive exploration of the multifaceted properties of light. As we embark on this journey, we'll uncover the richness of light and characteristics, and their profound implications across diverse institutions.
The properties of light encompass various characteristics that define behavior and interaction with the environment. There are 8 types of characteristics of light.
The first one is wavelength. At the heart of understanding light is wavelength. Wavelength determines the color we perceive. From vibrant red so to the soothing blue, each hue corresponds to a specific wavelength. This property not only enriches our visual experience, but also serves as a foundational concept in fields like optics, astronomy, and color theory. The next property is intensity. So what is intensity? Intensity governs the brightness of light, its difference between dim literature and a dazzling display. Controlling intensity is essential. It's a photography, stage lighting, and material imaging. Understanding how to manipulate intensity allows us to create captivating visual experience.
And flashlight. In order to do this experiment. In this experiment, turn on the flashlight and point it at the glass of water. As you can see, light reflects from a smooth surface at the same angle as it hits the surface.
The next one is refraction. As light transitions from medium to another, it bends a phenomenon known as refraction. Think of the mesmerizing sight of a straw appearing bent in a glass of water. Understanding refraction is crucial in designing lenses, prism, and fiber optics, shaping advancement in imaging, telecommunications, and medical diagnostics. The next properties of light is dispersion. So what is dispersion? When the light passes through a prism, it's dispersed into a component colors, captivating a spectacle that reveals the spectrum of light. This property, known as dispersion, underpins technology like spectroscopy, where analyzing the distinct wavelengths of light allow us to identify substances, study celestial objects, and unlock the secret of the universe. Let's continue. Interference when two or more light waves overlap. The interference when each brightness this phenomenon, known as interference, creates mesmerizing patterns. And it's exploited in technologies like measurement and are made by analyzing the constructive and destructive or light. The last properties of light is diffraction. Light waves bend or spread out when encountering obstacles or apertures, a phenomenon called diffraction. In conclusion, the properties of light as are diverse as they are fascinating form, its wavelength to its destruction, patterns light captivates our imagination and fuels innovation across scientific, technological, and artistic realism.
I hope you understand these properties is crucial in various fields such as physics and astronomy, and it helps to develop technologies like imaging system. That's all, thank you.